Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with a severe weather update for the Day 2 Outlook. First off, I am filling in for SPC's Convective Outlooks as he is busy at his grandparents' house. So, anyway, we have a slight risk for severe weather tomorrow that encompasses most of South Dakota, northern Nebraska, northwestern Iowa, extreme southeastern North Dakota, most of Minnesota, and west central Wisconsin. Cities in today's slate include Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, Sioux Falls, South Dakota, Rochester, Minnesota, and Bloomington, Minnesota. And there are two marginals tomorrow. One marginal tomorrow encompasses a tiny bit of southeastern Montana, far northeastern Wyoming, parts of South Dakota, eastern North Dakota, parts of Nebraska, parts of Iowa, northern and far southeastern Minnesota, and parts of Wisconsin. And the second marginal tomorrow encompasses eastern New York State, southern Connecticut, western Massachusetts. Well, wait. I meant to say, sorry, let me start over. The second marginal tomorrow encompasses eastern New York, southern Vermont, western Massachusetts, western Connecticut, southwestern and northwestern New Jersey, eastern Pennsylvania, including my area, northern Delaware, parts of Maryland, Washington, D.C., a bit of eastern West Virginia, well, the panhandle of West Virginia anyway, and north central Virginia. Cities in tomorrow's marginals include Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Baltimore, Maryland, Washington, D.C., Newark, New Jersey, and Jersey City, New Jersey. Going to the tornado threat for tomorrow. There is a 5% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow that encompasses central Minnesota. Cities in the 5% tornado risk area tomorrow include Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, Bloomington, Minnesota, Plymouth, Minnesota, and Brooklyn Park, Minnesota. And there is a 2% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow, encompassing parts of Minnesota, northeastern South Dakota, a tiny bit of north central Iowa, and west central Wisconsin. The 2% tornado risk area tomorrow includes Rochester, Minnesota, Eau Claire, Wisconsin, Woodbury, Minnesota, Maplewood, Minnesota, and Mankato, Minnesota. Going to the wind threat for tomorrow, there is a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow, encompassing extreme southeastern North Dakota, most of South Dakota, northern Nebraska, northwestern Iowa, most of Minnesota, and west central Wisconsin. Cities in the 15% wind risk area tomorrow include Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, Sioux Falls, South Dakota, Rochester, Minnesota, and Bloomington, Minnesota. There are two areas where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow. One covering a tiny bit of southeastern Montana, extreme northeastern Wyoming, eastern North Dakota, parts of South Dakota, parts of Nebraska, parts of Minnesota, parts of Iowa, and parts of Wisconsin. And the second 5% wind risk area tomorrow encompasses eastern New York State, southern Vermont, western Massachusetts, western Connecticut, the western half of New Jersey, eastern Pennsylvania, including my area, northern Delaware, much of Maryland, Washington, D.C., north central Virginia, and a tiny bit of the panhandle of West Virginia. The 5% wind risk area tomorrow includes Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Baltimore, Maryland, Washington, D.C., Newark, New Jersey, and Jersey City, New Jersey. Going to the hail threat for tomorrow, there is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow. That encompasses a tiny bit of southeastern North Dakota, most of South Dakota, northern Nebraska, northwestern Iowa, much of Minnesota, and west central Wisconsin. The 15% hail risk area tomorrow includes Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota. Oh, why'd you do that to me? The 15% The 15% hail risk area tomorrow includes Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, Sioux Falls, South Dakota, Rochester, Minnesota, and Bloomington, Minnesota. And there is a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow that encompasses extreme southeastern Montana, far northeastern Wyoming, eastern North Dakota, northern and western South Dakota, parts of Nebraska, parts of Minnesota, parts of Iowa, and parts of Wisconsin. The 5% hail risk area tomorrow includes Fargo, North Dakota, Sioux City, Iowa, La Crosse, Wisconsin, Grand Forks, North Dakota, and Grand Island, Nebraska. And so, in summary, scattered strong to severe thunderstorms, perhaps including 1 or 2 organizing clusters, will pose a risk for severe hail, wind, and perhaps a couple of tornadoes across parts of the middle Missouri Valley into upper Midwest Saturday afternoon into Saturday night. So, that's the Day 2 outlook. So, anyway, stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow, even in the marginal, because you never know what marginal can bring sometimes. So, and before you go to bed tomorrow night, have something to alert you in the middle of the night for severe weather. And if possible, sleep in your safe room tomorrow night to avoid having to move during the night. So, stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow, and I will go over all of this again tomorrow morning. Take care.